super spectacular specialist shuttle. Let's get together for a huddle, but not too close, got to keep the bubble. Let's start learning, come on, let's hustle. We fit together like a puzzle. Library, music, art, PE. It's the super spectacular specialist shuttle.
Hi everyone, welcome to this week's art lesson. This week we're going to be creating a drawing of a folk art bird. Folk art is created by artists who are not trained professionally. They have taught themselves how to create. Folk art often has simple shapes and patterns. If you are still working on your pieces for our class mural, then you can continue to do that this week. Folk artists created art of many types of animals and birds. They were inspired by the animals and nature around them. There are many examples of folk art birds. What do you notice in these pictures? This week, you will be creating a drawing of a folk art bird. I will give you the step-by-step directions for how to draw the bird and some vines around it, and you can choose to add whatever colors and designs you want. Let's take a look at a video of some different kinds of birds to inspire you. The inspiration for this drawing is displayed on the right side of the screen. Start with a circle or an oval for the bird's head. Add a long triangle at the top left for the beak. Draw a line in the middle to separate the top and bottom of the beak. Draw an oval for the eye with a black dot in the center. Add a little shape at the top for the bird's tuft at the top of his head. Next, we're going to move to the wing. Leave some space between the head and the wing. Draw a big tear shape. Connect the head to the wing, and then start to draw the neck curving around the body and out for the bird's tail. For the other side of the tail, continue from the point of the wing, and then connect the two sides. Next, we'll add the legs by drawing these rounded triangle shapes at the bottom of the bird's body. For each leg, draw a straight line coming down from the point, and then an upside down U crossing over it for the toes. The next step is to add patterns to your bird. In some of the examples we looked at, some of the folk art birds have different kinds of patterns of shapes and colors. You can add any kinds of patterns that you want. Next, we're going to add some vines, leaves, and flowers to the background. In many folk art paintings, these elements are added for decoration. Add as many flowers and leaves to your vine as you want. When you are finished with your bird and your background, it is time to add color. You can see in this example, this artist used a lot of natural colors like yellows, tans, some reds, yellows, and greens. You can choose to use natural colors, or you can use really bright fun colors. It's completely your choice. We hope that you had fun with that. We'll see you next time.